So if you don't know these words, you already sound outdated at work. Number 1, slack off. It means pretending to work while doing nothing. Half the team slacking off after lunch. Number 2, brain dump. Throwing out all ideas fast without editing. Let's do a quick brain dump before we refine it. Number 3, Zoom fatigue. Exhaustion after too many calls, online calls. I'm not tired, it's just Zoom fatigue. Number 4, ghosting. Suddenly stopping replies on work chats or email. For example, he ghosted the whole project thread. And number 5, flex. Subtly showing off your skills or achievements. That presentation was such a flex. And now follow for more smart workplace English. Happy learning. Bye-bye.